I was having a look at this new magnetic mask feature in Final Cut Pro that was recently announced, and I could have used it about 25 years ago when I was working on a film that required a lot of green screen work, and instead of manually trying to do it, on that Windows 98 computer I was using, I could have just, tick, 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 and it would have just done it. And I'm actually going to use it for this episode, so hopefully future Ben can edit out the background that I've got at the moment. I might even switch between the backgrounds so you can see what I'm working with here. Hopefully future Ben can pick that up. But it's interesting that I was just really impressed with this tool. Obviously they're saying it's an AI tool because it's analyzing, the trace around a subject. But what really impressed me was that the scale of it. So, for this episode, we're just talking about removing a background, but there were actually multiple layers that you could actually add into it as you went along as well. Like, so you could multiple layers between each mask to almost reconstruct the whole image to whatever you want, really.
Oh, look, Ben, as you pointed out, technology like this 25 years ago, we couldn't even dream about because no one even thought it was possible. This is a true Hollywood feature probably from 10 years ago when they were doing Lord of the Rings, and that's probably how it's been developed. And now it's available in your home. I don't know. It's unbelievable. It's fascinating. It's super impressive. If you have an appreciation for CGI and really what this means, the fact that it can be done in real time is just mind-blowing to me. But it's the next step, and we've spoken about it probably for the last couple of years, how computing power today is way in excess of what you would do with a normal 2D video. And here are the sorts of tools and applications that you can see are maximising the power at our fingertips and enabling everyone to make a super believable deep fake.
Absolutely. And we joked before, like, what do I need, an M4 chip? Maybe I need one now. Like, I noticed that I was quite able to do it on my M1 Pro machine, but the old Intel iMac that I've got was struggling with it a little bit. So to say the least. But that's what those M series chips are for.
Oh, that's absolutely right. Yeah, no, time to bin the Intel, mate.